Hello everyone. For my Humanities reference instructional video, I've chosen to present the Grove Music Online Database. Grove is arguably the largest encyclopedic reference resource on the subject of Western music, and it also offers a steadily growing collection of reference information on music from non-Western cultures, but the same depth as the Western information just isn't there yet. It's operated by Oxford Music Online as part of a subscription package, and it is fully available through the URI libraries. Now, the material covered in Grove runs the gamut of all areas related to music, from artists to genres to instruments, and the entries are mostly written by scholars with expertise on the subject matter, and each entry will usually include references to outside works for future study. So, how do we use the Grove database? Let's start at the library's homepage. From there, click on Articles and Databases, choose G from the list that pops up, and scroll down and choose Grove Music Online. As you can see on the main page for Grove, it offers a search box for quick searches, but let's use the advanced search option instead so we get better results. Now, when advanced search loads, you'll notice a listing of the complete database of nearly 58,000 articles. If you know exactly what you're looking for, you can sort this list by title, author, or publication date, and hopefully find it quickly. But if not, let's use a search. So let's try a simple search for the term rock. As you can see here, we got almost 2,700 results, which is a good start. Now, Grove also allows for the use of truncation in case you want to broaden your returns just a little bit. So let's try adding a truncation for the term rock. Now our results include a lot more returns, which could be good, but then again, the second return includes something called the Kansas City Rockets, which is probably not what we're looking for. So truncation is sort of a double-edged sword. But Grove also uses Boolean operators. So let's try using a Boolean operator. Okay, so our search for rock or industrial returned slightly more results than a search for just rock, and the top result includes both terms, which is good. Let's try nesting a Boolean operator to see if that narrows our search down even more. And as you can see, using multiple Boolean operators in Grove helped us to narrow down our results to a very manageable number, and it looks like the results are exactly what we would be looking for. So, once you've got some promising results from your search, you can actually narrow them down even further by using this menu on the side of the screen. You can sort your results by, or excuse me, you can filter your results by format, by type, by date or era, by geographic region, or by specific location. And you can also modify your search so that you're only searching specific fields of each entry, such as the bibliography, the authors, or the article title. All of those would be very helpful if you're looking for specific type of information. So, there are two final points that I'd also like to note about Grove before I end here. The first is this tools and resources link up at the top of the page. Now, since music research can involve a lot of complicated terms and names drawn from languages other than English, Grove provides reference tools to help users navigate the database's formatting choices. These include a list of all of the abbreviations they've used, which is very lengthy. And there's also this Grove Music Online User's Manual, which provides you with a list of the alphabetization choices they've made in romanizing all of the various options from other languages. And then the last thing I'd like to note is this personal profile option up here. If you choose to create a personal profile with Oxford, you can then sign in every time you use the service, and that'll allow you to save content and searches for future use and actually annotate entries, which is very valuable for doing research. So with that, thank you very much for watching my tutorial, and best of luck on all of your future music research.